We were like 15 minutes. All you guys on one side or in the back corner.
Stop, look and watch. It's Crazy Josh. Entertainment is here. And swearing, a retainer. What's up, people of YouTube? So, today, something pretty exciting is happening to me. I am going to a Rubik's Cube competition. It's in Seattle, and so it'll take about an hour and a half to get there, but it's worth it. Anyway, if you want to watch the video of me going to the competition and stuff, you can click that annotation right there. And, yeah, go ahead, click it.
High five with myself. Oh yeah!